Good afternoon to one and all present in the session. Very good afternoon to all of you. I hope students will join soon. It is already 12:04. I told that I'm not going to, wait much. So, okay, we are going to continue with that same example of your B tree deletion. Okay, and that's why this extra session, because I didn't wanted a gap again. All right, so I could continue and you can also relate. There is no chance that you forgot the step and all. Okay, we were discussing your B tree deletion case 1, that is target key means the element which you need to delete is in the leaf node. Okay, so if your key is in the leaf node, then what steps you are going to follow is you are going to check that this target key, okay, this target key is actually where it is located. This is the revision. Okay, again, for what we have seen few hours before, you identified that this is your target key and your target key is in the leaf node. That is your case 1. So if your target key is in case 1, then what is the next step? Okay, that whether that leaf node contains more than minimum number of keys. If it is containing more than minimum number of keys, okay, if it is containing more than minimum number of keys, then easily go and delete. Okay, no need to do anything, no need to see whether it is satisfying any property or not, nothing. Okay, simply just go and delete. So 64 was one such example of the element. Okay, so 64, I told you that this tree will be given to you and this is the data which you need to compute for yourself. Okay, for your information, this is the data. All right, there will be an this data might be given to you. In most of the cases, the degree of the tree is given. All right, so if it is not, then you need to figure out. Okay, but generally there won't be a case. This degree of the tree will be given to you. Okay, you have to have the data, these 4 datas: maximum children it can accommodate, minimum children it can accommodate, maximum keys, that is the data value it can accommodate, and minimum required data value in one particular node. Okay, so this is how you are going to start the approach. Once you find the target key is in the leaf node, go and check that that leaf node is containing more than minimum number of keys. Then okay, then just simply go and delete. Okay, so 64 deleted. All right, but if there is a case that leaf node contains just minimum number of keys, that is here in our case 2. Okay, so in that case, again you are going to follow some sub steps. Okay, some sub steps. What are those? First thing you will try out. First thing you will try out that try to borrow from immediate left sibling. Now, when we are going and trying to borrow from the immediate left sibling through the parent node, okay, which node you are going to push upwards? The node value, or say the data value, which is of maximum. Okay, so we discussed that if, for example, if we want to delete this 23, so what we followed this step. Where is my target key? My target key is in the leaf node. Okay, now does that leaf node have minimum number of keys? Yes, it is having minimum number of keys. So I cannot directly delete this 23. So what I have to do? I have to follow some sub steps. What is my first sub step? Try and borrow from the immediate left sibling. Do I have left sibling? Yes, I do have a left sibling of this node. So my left sibling is this one. Now from this left sibling, what I have to do? Select the maximum value. So which is the maximum value? 16. And with the help of the parent node of both these children, who is the parent node? 20. Okay. So what you will do? You will push this 16 up one level. Okay. So 16 goes up in the parent node. This parent node, or say parent value, comes down. Okay. In your leaf node where your target resides. Okay, and why we are doing, I already explained it to you. Because if I go and select 14 and 15, I am not satisfying my BST property. But if I 14 and 15, but if I select 16, I am satisfying my BST property. Okay, so now the node contains 3 elements. Now if I go and delete this 23, okay, then I am satisfying the property where my node is containing minimum 2 values. Okay, so this is how the till here we have discussed the case. Okay, so 23 and 64 and 23 deleted. Fine. Now next in line, next in the series is 72. Now first again go and search where is 72. 72 less than 72 less than or greater than 50, greater than 50. Okay, so you are going for the next data in your node. 72 greater than or less than 80, less than 80. So you are not going to go on the right side of 80, you are going to go on the left of 80. So this node. Okay, here. Now again go and check. 72 less than or greater than 60, greater than 60. Okay, again check. 72 less than or greater than 70, greater than 70. Okay, so I know. Now again go and check. 75, 72 less than or greater than 75, less than 75. So I come to know that I have to go to this node. Okay, so it is what I found out, that where is my 72? My 72 is at leaf node. Okay, so it is my case 1. Again, target key is in my leaf node. Now go and check. Leaf node has more than minimum number of children? No, it is having exact number of minimum keys. Sorry, not children, keys. Okay, so it is having exact minimum number of keys. Fine, so I cannot directly go and delete this 72. That is not feasible. Fine, then what is my next sub step? I should check with my left sibling. But in the left sibling, once I already deleted the 64, again I have only 2 keys. This left sibling is not ready to give me one element. Okay, this my sibling, left sibling, is not ready to give me one element. So what I'm going to check now? Second sub step, I'm going to check with my right sibling now. Okay, can my right sibling give me an element? Yes, it can give. Why? Because there are 3 elements. Even if one element gets pushed, okay, there won't be any problem. All right, so what you are doing is you are going for the second sub way. Okay, second way, that borrow from immediate right sibling through parent. And which number should be borrowed? The minimum value in your right sibling. Okay, so the minimum value, which is the minimum value in your right sibling? Tell me in your screens if you can see it clearly. Which is the minimum value in the right sibling? 77, right? So with the help of 77, okay, you are going to delete your target node 72. Now how we are going to delete? Same procedure. This 77 will move up. Okay, this 77 is going to move up here at parent node. Okay, this 75 is going to come down in the child node. All right, just a minute please. Okay, now what will be your node structure looking like? Okay, 77 along with 60. Oh, sorry, wait. Okay, this parent node I'm going to construct here. It will be 60. Okay, then 70. Okay, and 77. All right. Now this 75, everything, this node, okay, they are going to remain as it is, as they are written in the format. Okay, so I'm not writing them. The nodes which are getting the change, that is what I'm writing. All right. So here the change is what? 72, 73, okay, and 75. I'm writing it down here. Okay, and on the right of 77, there will be 78, okay, and 79. Okay, so now check, this node contains my minimum keys, so no issues here. Okay, also these two values are greater than 77, so again no problem. Now this node, okay, is containing three values. Now I can easily delete this 72. Okay, thus satisfying my property that the node should have minimum two values apart from the root node. Okay, so 73 and 75 are there, 72 is deleted, and also these both values 73 and 75 is less than 77 and they are greater than 70, so again I'm satisfying my BST. Okay, so this is how the node structure would look like. Okay, so in place of this 72 here, in place of this 72, now what you have, 73 and 75. Okay, and in place of this 75, now you have 77. Okay, this 77 is no more here. Here there is 78, 79, 77 here, 73 and 75. Okay, structure somewhat like this. Okay, with me till here, everybody? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. See now, which is the next element to be deleted? 72 is done. Now next element to be deleted is what? 65. Okay. Now go and search for 65. 65 greater than or less than 50? Greater than 50. Okay. So go on right side. So here 80. 65 greater than or less than 80? Less than 80. So go here. Okay. Now again check. 65 greater than or less than 60? Greater than. Go to the next element. 70 greater than or less than 65? Greater than 65. So we found that my 65 again is here. What is this node? This node is my leaf node. Okay, go and check the next step. Leaf node contains more than minimum number of keys? No. Why? Because now I have only two values, 65 and 68. Okay, so I have to check for my sub steps. Now see, can I borrow from left side? No, because my left side is having minimum number of keys, 51 and 52. Okay, can I borrow from my right sibling? Again no. Why? Because it is having 73 and 75. Now what can I do? Neither can my left sibling can give me, nor my right sibling is giving me. Then I have to delete 65. So in that case, you will merge either of one sibling. Okay. So see, merge either with left sibling or right sibling. All right. Merge it. Fine. So if you go and select to merge with this sibling, okay, you are not going to directly merge कि okay ठीक है कर दिया 51 52 65 68. No, Why? Because the 65 and 68 are not less than 60. Okay, the 65 and 68 are not less than 60. So what you are going to do in that case? You are going to bring this parent down. Okay, you are going to bring this parent down. तो आपकी series कैसी होगी? Your series, suppose I am just drawing this part. Okay, this 60, 70, 75, that subtree part here. Okay, so here you are merging. Let's suppose you are merging on the left sibling with the left sibling. ठीक है, तो 70 लिखा. Alright, 70 के लेफ्ट में, 70 के लेफ्ट में you are writing 51, 52. Okay, 60 you are bringing down, तो बीच में 60 आ गया. ठीक है, then you are writing 65, which is your target key to be deleted. All right, and then there is 68. Okay, 70 का right, 70 का right जो कि 73 और 75 था, that comes as it is, 73 and 75. Okay, and then there is 77. Okay, क्योंकि हमने आगे एक डिलीट किया ना एक एलिमेंट, तो 77, तो 77 की सब ट्री एज इट इज, दैट इज 78 and 79. ओके, तो ये सीरीज हो गई. अभी देखो, अभी हमें क्या करना है, 65 को डिलीट करना है. तो नाउ वी कैन easily delete the 65 because 65 is in my leaf node. The node is containing more than minimum number of elements. So if I go and delete this 65, okay, the node won't violate the condition. क्योंकि maximum number of keys which I can hold in my node is 4. ओके, और 65 को अगर मैं डिलीट करती हूँ तो मेरी नंबर ऑफ कीज जो है मेरे नोड में वो 4 ही रहेगी. 51, 52, 60, 68. गॉट इट एवरीबॉडी? द स्टेप ऑफ मर्जिंग, if you go and select to merge this 65, 68 with its right sibling, that is 73 and 75. okay, तो 70 नीचे आएगा instead of 60. This 70, the parent node will come down. Okay, and the 68, 70, 73 and 75 will be one node with 60 as its parent node. Okay, तो केस उल्टा होगा कि यहाँ पे 60 है parent node में ऊपर. Okay, उसके लेफ्ट सिबलिंग एज इट इज रहे 51 and 52. Okay, the left sibling are as it is because now you are merging it with the right sibling. Okay, तो 65 डिलीट होके राइट सिबलिंग में नोड्स की वैल्यू क्या रहती है, डेटा वैल्यू 68, 70, 73 and 75. तो ये केस हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो इट इज ऑन यू, either you merge it with the left sibling or you merge it with right sibling. Okay students, anyone having any doubt till here? I explained you both the cases, either you merge with left sibling or you merge with right sibling. Till here any doubt? किसी को कोई भी क्वेश्चन? Okay, now next in line to be deleted is what, 20. ठीक है, यहाँ तक 65 तक कर लिया, 65 तक हो गया, अभी मुझे 20 को डिलीट करना है. अगेन रिपीट द सेम प्रोसीजर. अभी 20 को ढूंढो. 20 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 50. इट इज less than. Okay, so 20 you are going to go this side. ठीक है, लेकिन अभी 20 इधर नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने डिलीट किया था, याद है 23 को. तो यहाँ पे पेरेंट नोड पे अभी 10 और 16 है. ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू कंसिडर दिस ट्री which I have written in yellow. Okay, 10 के साथ 16 है. तो again you are going to consider that 20 greater than or less than 10. So obviously greater than. Then you are going to check for 16. Okay, ये वाली वैल्यू. तो 20 पता चल गया कि वो राइट पे है. ओके, अगेन द कंडीशन कि यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ दो ही वैल्यूज है. आई कैन नॉट डायरेक्टली गो एंड डिलीट दिस 20. सो गो एंड चेक फॉर द लेफ्ट सिबलिंग. लेफ्ट सिबलिंग के पास भी सिर्फ दो वैल्यूज है, 14 और 15. सो अगेन यू कैन नॉट गो एंड बोरो विद द लेफ्ट सिबलिंग. राइट सिबलिंग तो है ही नहीं, तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आता है चेक करने का. तो क्या करें? मर्जिंग. ओके, मर्जिंग किसके साथ करेंगे? लेफ्ट सिबलिंग के साथ. ओके, तो इसमें हम क्या किया? वी ब्रॉट 16 डाउन. ओके, और ये 20 को हमने डिलीट कर दिया. अप्लाइंग द सेम प्रोसीजर. ओके, वी ब्रॉट दिस 16 डाउन. कैसा होगा अभी? वेट, your tree, let me just do it like this, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा ज्यादा मेसी हो गया. तो I'll just use a split screen for you guys to understand better only that left part. Okay, I'm not drawing the whole tree, only that left subtree I'm drawing out for you. How the things will work. Okay, यहाँ पे है आपका 10 और 16. ठीक है, 10 और 16 के जो भी मतलब सब ट्रीज है वो है 4, 5, 6. ओके, बीच में है आपका 14 और 15. ओके, एंड यहाँ पे है आपका 20 एंड 27. ऑलराइट, 20, 27, 14, 15, 4, 5, 6. अभी डिलीट क्या करना है? 20 को. और हमारा एक भी केस नहीं चल रहा है यहाँ पे. I cannot borrow from left, from immediate left. I cannot borrow from immediate right. So I'm going for the third case, that is merging, either for the left sibling or the right sibling. Merge करने के लिए we are bringing this parent node down. ठीक है, इस parent node को delete करके we are bringing it down here. All right, and then we are deleting this 20. तो आइडियली देखा जाए तो 10 के राइट में सारी वैल्यूज ऐसी है जो कि 10 से बड़ी है. ठीक है, सो इट सेटिस्फाइज माय BST. 10 के लेफ्ट में I have those values which are less than 10. So again it satisfies my BST. But problem is the property of my B tree. The property of my B tree says that except for the root and leaf node, if you can remember, the property which says see here, this property, every node except root and leaf node has at least minimum m by 2 children. Okay, that means subtree, we are talking about subtree. और minimum subtree की value हमारे पास क्या है? minimum children 3, right? It should have 3 subtrees. But right now my 10 is having how many subtrees? Just 2. 4, 5, 6, 14, 15, 16, 27. This is not done. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to adjust in such a manner that I satisfy this property fourth property of my B tree, that every node except root and leaf node have at least minimum m by 2 children. ठीक है? Are you guys with me? समझ आ रहा है? Students, I need some confirmation from your side. Okay. So in this case, what I need to do, I need to make some arrangements here. Okay. I need to make some arrangements here such that this 10 is no more having only 2 subtrees. Okay. So इसके लिए what I am going to do, I am going to follow this same procedure for borrowing the elements from either left sibling, right sibling. Okay, this same procedure I am going to follow for 10, क्योंकि 10 के पास अभी क्या है, सिबलिंग कम है, की वैल्यू कम है. तो the example which I quoted in my previous session with you guys, okay, that I want to keep 2 chocolates with me, but I also want to eat some chocolate. Okay, I don't want to violate कि मेरे पास 2 चॉकलेट से कम हो जाए. तो मैं क्या करूंगी, अपने सिबलिंग से जाके पूछूंगी कि भाई तू मुझे अपनी एक एक्स्ट्रा चॉकलेट दे दे. ठीक है? So that is what the 10 is going to do. The 10 is now in short of its minimum number of key values. So where 10 is going to go? 10 is going to go to its immediate right sibling. Okay? क्योंकि लेफ्ट में तो कुछ है ही नहीं उसके, तो वो किसके पास जाएगा, इमीडिएट राइट सिबलिंग के पास जाएगा. ठीक है? अभी राइट सिबलिंग जो है आपका, ओके, वहां पे तो हमने कुछ ऑपरेशन कर दिए. ठीक है? कुछ ऑपरेशंस किए जिसके बाद मेरे पास राइट सिबलिंग में भी सिर्फ 2 वैल्यूज है. सपोज ये सब ट्री हम इधर रखते हैं, ये 60 अभी यहाँ पे नहीं है. ठीक है? This 60 is also not there. और उसका जो राइट सिबलिंग है उसके पास भी सिर्फ 2 ही वैल्यूज है. He cannot lend a chocolate to his sibling. Okay? So what they are going to do? They are going to go to its parent node. Parent node के पास जाएंगे वो दोनों. So that is 50. Okay? Both of them are going to go to 50 now. 50 के पास जाके क्या करेंगे, उसको बोलेंगे कि now you sort out this matter. इसके पास चॉकलेट्स कम हो गई है, मेरे पास उसको एक्स्ट्रा चॉकलेट देने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. So you sort out the matter. So what this parent node is going to do? The parent node is going to intervene now. Okay? So you are going to follow the same procedure जो कि आपने यहाँ पे 16 के टाइम पे की थी. Okay? So what actually we are going to do is this 50 is going to intervene. Okay? तो यहाँ पे 50 आएगा. 50 के साथ हम मर्ज कर रहे हैं किसको, 70 और 77 को. ओके, जो कि हमारा नया सब ट्री है. आफ्टर सम ऑपरेशंस योर सब ट्री इज गोइंग टू लुक लाइक दिस, 70 77. ओके, और अभी ये जो 14 15 16 27 है वो सारे 10 के राइट और 50 के लेफ्ट में. ठीक है? अभी होगा क्या, ये जो 73 और 75 है, ओके, this 73 and 75 are going to be placed. Actually वो कहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे इस जगह पे. I'll just decrease the size here. Let me do it like this. Oops. ठीक है? अभी 50 के राइट में ये सारे चिल्ड्रन आएंगे जो कि 70 के चिल्ड्रन है. ठीक है? दिस 51 52 60 68. ओके, सो 51 52 60 and 68. So I am satisfying my property of BST. जितनी भी वैल्यूज 50 से बढ़ के है or greater than 50 are on the right side. Values on the left of 70 are less than 70. ठीक है? And here ये चीज जो 73, 75, 78, 79 है, that will come as it is unchanged. So 73, 75, okay, and here 78 and 79. So this is how your tree would look like. If you want to see how your resultant tree is going to look like after, you know, kind of balancing, this is what we have done. Your tree would look something like this. After deleting 20, your tree is going to look something like this. See, in your root node, you are going to have one value which is valid. Okay, root node के लिए चलेगा, अगर वहां पे minimum values नहीं है तो root node के लिए it is valid. ठीक है? Root node can contain one value, but except for root and leaf, all the values in between should have minimum number of values. तो देखो 10, 50, 70 और 77 को merge कर दिया. ठीक है? Previously they were not merged. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखने जाओ तो they were not merged. Okay, but now we are adjusting to satisfy the BST property. Okay, so 10, 50, 70, 77 एक नोड में आ गए. 4, 5, 6 left of 10, 14, 15, 16, 27 on the right of 10, जो कि left of 50 भी है. ठीक है? जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे आपको एक्सप्लेन किया नोटपैड में, 50 के राइट में 51, 52, 60, 68. So just to visualize, the same thing is done here. See, 51, 52, 50, 60, 68. 70 के राइट में 73, 75. 77 के राइट में 78, 79. ओके, और राइट सब ट्री को तो हमने छुआ ही नहीं है, तो वो तो एज इट इज ऐसे आ गया. सो दिस इज योर ट्री सो फार. समझ आया? और you need again, you want me to repeat the process again? Students, speak up. See, I'm not rushing, okay? I'm not rushing at all. I'm asking you again and again at each and every step. Because from now onwards, from after this sequence, okay, we have finished till here. 64, 23, 72, 65 and 20. Okay, after this sequence we are going to go for the case number 2, where your data part is no more in the leaf node. So you need to understand this much of portion first. ये बेस है. ओके, ये समझ आया तो आगे का डिलीशन समझ में आएगा, वरना नहीं आएगा. So if anyone is having doubt at any given element deletion, please speak up. नहीं है तो well and good. जबरदस्ती नहीं है यहाँ पे कि पूछो ही पूछो. नहीं है तो well and good. But this is for your sake. अगर कहीं पे भी छोटा सा भी डाउट है तो पूछ लो. Yes, स्मृति.
मैम जो आपने
स्मृति माइक नजदीक लो.
जो आपने 10 को एडजस्ट किया था ना,
हाँ,
तो एक्सप्लेन करना है.
ओके. देखो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि 10 के पास 10 आपका पेरेंट नोड है. ठीक है, ऑलराइट. और ये एक आपका उसका एक राइट सिबलिंग हो गया. ये एक राइट सिबलिंग है 10 का. ओके, और 10 के पास अपने खुद के 2 सब ट्रीज है with these values 14, 15, 16, 27. लेकिन हमारी प्रॉपर्टी क्या कहती है बी ट्री की प्रॉपर्टी ये कहती है कि every node except root and leaf should have minimum m/2 चिल्ड्रन। यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रन की बात हो रही है, दैट मीन्स सब ट्री। और हमारे जो कि गिवन एग्जाम्पल जो है हमारा, ओके, उसके मिनिमम चिल्ड्रन कितने होने चाहिए? 3। लेकिन 10 के पास तो मिनिमम चिल्ड्रन उतने है ही नहीं, उसके पास तो सिर्फ 2 चिल्ड्रन है, जो कि एक ये सब ट्री है और एक ये सब ट्री है। सो दैट मीन्स आई एम वायलेटिंग माय बी ट्री प्रॉपर्टी, तो ये तो होना नहीं चाहिए। तो इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? टू एडजस्ट दिस, टू सेटिस्फाई द प्रॉपर्टी, क्या करेंगे? वी विल फॉलो दिस स्टेप्स, दिस 3 स्टेप्स। बोरो फ्रॉम इमीडिएट लेफ्ट सबलिंग एडजस्ट करने के लिए। लेकिन ये जो 10 है हमारा, उसका कोई लेफ्ट सिबलिंग तो है ही नहीं, तो वो तो ऑप्शन ही हट गया। इट डज नॉट हैव एनी लेफ्ट सिबलिंग। ठीक है, तो गो फॉर द सेकंड ऑप्शन, बोरो फ्रॉम द राइट सिबलिंग। अभी राइट सिबलिंग देखने जाओ तो उसके राइट सिबलिंग है 70 और 77। अभी उनके पास भी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है देने के लिए कि ओके 10 एक वैल्यू ऊपर पुश कर दी, पेरेंट की वैल्यू नीचे पुश कर दी 10 के नोड में, तो हो गया एडजस्टमेंट। नो, they are also having the minimum keys value, that is they are supposed to be having, so they are also going to deny, okay, that we cannot give you. So now what is the next step? The third step, merge either with left side or right sibling using your parent. अभी लेफ्ट सिबलिंग तो है ही नहीं, तो मर्जर, लेफ्ट सिबलिंग के साथ मर्जर का तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आता है। सिर्फ राइट सिबलिंग है, राइट सिबलिंग को मर्ज करेंगे तो 70 और 77 को मर्ज करेंगे, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ होम? विद द हेल्प ऑफ 50, क्योंकि 50 उनका पेरेंट नोड है। यहाँ पे डायग्राम में देखने जाओ तो दोनों का पेरेंट नोड कौन है? 10 का और 70 और 77 का 50। So what you are going to do? You are going to make a sequence using this parent node. So 10, 50, 70 और 77, तो उसकी सीक्वेंस बनेगी यहाँ पे। ठीक है, तो 50 को आपने नीचे पुल किया। जैसे ही आप 50 को पुल करते हो नीचे, यू आर मेकिंग वन नोड कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ 10, 50, 70 और 77। तो पहले वो देखो, ये नोड जो है, does it satisfy my required data? Yes, because a node can have maximum how many keys? 4। तो मेरे पास कितनी कीज है? ये 4 में 10, 50, 70 और 77, तो प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई हो गई। ऑल्सो मेरी बी ट्री की प्रॉपर्टी क्या कहती है कि उसके पास मैक्सिमम कितने चिल्ड्रन होने चाहिए? 5। ओके, दैट मीन्स 5 सब ट्री होने चाहिए। तो 5 सब ट्री है, ये 1, ये 2, 3, 4 और 5। ठीक है, तो इट सेटिस्फाइज माय प्रॉपर्टी ऑल्सो, मैक्सिमम चिल्ड्रन 5। तो ये मेरा एडजस्टमेंट हो गया। अगर इस एडजस्टमेंट को मैं विजुअली ट्री के फॉर्म में अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं, तो योर ट्री वुड लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस, जहां पे रूट नोड में 80 है। अभी some of you will think that madam 80 is just one node and my minimum key values I should be having 2, so that is okay। रूट नोड में एक वैल्यू अगर है तो चलेगा, क्यों? क्योंकि वो रूट नोड है। इंटरनल नोड में वो चीज नहीं चलेगी। इंटरनल नोड में एटलीस्ट यू शुड हैव 2 की वैल्यूज, और से 2 मिनिमम, यू शुड हैव मिनिमम की वैल्यूज। ठीक है, हमारे केस में 2 है तो 2 की वैल्यूज होनी चाहिए। फाइन। और एडजस्टमेंट के बाद आपका ट्री कुछ ऐसे दिखेगा कि 80 उसका रूट नोड है, उसके लेफ्ट में मिलता है आपको 10, 50, 70, 77, जो कि मैंने आपको यहाँ पे नोट पैड में दिखाया, 10, 50, 70, 77। ओके, 4, 5, 6, 14, 15, 16, 27, 51, 52, 60, 68, 73, 75, 78 एंड 79। तो कुछ ऐसे आपका ट्री, सब ट्री बनेगा। ठीक है, now everybody understanding what I'm trying to convey? Yes or no? I hope this is crystal clear to everyone and not just those students who are just answering, mostly D2D students. Okay, fine. Now we are proceeding further in your deletion. Now we are proceeding further in your deletion where your target key is no more residing in your leaf node. That means it is the part of your internal node. अभी देखो यहाँ पे internal node कौन से है, ये वाला और ये वाला, ठीक है, ये सारे आपके लीफ नोड्स है, ये रूट नोड है, ठीक है। अभी टारगेट की जो है वो कहीं पे हमारे इंटरनल नोड्स में रिसाइड करेगी, तो उसको कैसे हैंडल करेंगे इन दैट केस? जस्ट अ मिनट प्लीज। Okay, all right. Now see, now next in line is what? 70. See, I have divided this whole sequence in two parts. Okay, सेम ही चीज है, कुछ अलग नहीं कर रहे, वही सेम एग्जांपल है। देखो 70, 95, 77, 80 और 100, ठीक है। तो वही सीक्वेंस मैंने एक सेकंड इमेज में ली है, 70, 95, 77, 80 और 100, just for the ease of understanding this whole example, ठीक है। अभी नेक्स्ट हमको जो डिलीट करना है वो क्या है आपका 70। now go and search for 70. 70 is less than 80. okay, so you are going to go on the left side. अभी आपको पता चला कि 70 तो इंटरनल नोड में है, वो मेरा लीफ नोड नहीं है। तो फर्स्ट आपने क्या आइडेंटिफाई किया कि आपका केस 2 है यहाँ पे, कि टारगेट की इज इन द इंटरनल नोड, ठीक है। अभी इंटरनल नोड है तो उसके कुछ सॉल्यूशंस है। ओके, पहला सॉल्यूशन ये है कि आप इन ऑर्डर प्रीडेसेसर चूज करके बाद में डिलीशन के लिए प्रोसीड करो, ठीक है। इन ऑर्डर प्रीडेसेसर, इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर, हमने बीएसटी के टाइम पे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इट। in order predecessor, what is your in order predecessor? The number which is preceding after your given number, okay, or say the target. In order success, before. in order in order successor is the number which is after your target node, ठीक है। अभी देखो सपोज 70 है, ठीक है, 70 है, तो हम इन ऑर्डर प्रीडेसेसर यूज करेंगे, क्योंकि 70 को डायरेक्टली आप हटा नहीं सकते यहाँ से। क्यों? क्योंकि उसके कुछ सब ट्रीज है, ठीक है, उसका एक लेफ्ट सब ट्री है, उसका एक राइट सब ट्री है, तो फिर उसका क्या करेंगे, है ना। तो डायरेक्टली आप 70 को यहाँ से हटा नहीं सकते, आपको चूज करना है इन ऑर्डर प्रीडेसेसर को पहले। ये दीज आर द डिफरेंट अवेलेबल सॉल्यूशंस, ये नहीं तो ये नहीं तो ये, लाइक दैट। So the very first thing which you are going and checking is 70 का in order predecessor। अभी in order predecessor है और ये पूरा एक BST है, ठीक है। So see the arrangement of these elements is in ascending order। और ऐसे भी नहीं पता चलता है, तो ट्रिक क्या है, मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट, जो भी आपका मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट है लेफ्ट सब ट्री के लिए, ठीक है, उसको सिलेक्ट करो। अभी 70 को हमें डिलीट करना है, हमारी टारगेट की। अभी सपोज हम प्रीडेसेसर में जाए तो लेफ्ट सब ट्री पे गए, उसका मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट क्या पता चला कि 68 उसका मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट है, जो कि 70 का प्रीडेसेसर है, ठीक है। ओके, 68 मिल गया, तो अभी क्या करना है, सी इफ इट इज हैविंग मोर देन नंबर ऑफ मिनिमम कीज। जहां पे भी 68 लोकेटेड है वो नोड में मोर देन मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कीज है। हाँ है, मेरी मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कीज क्या थी, मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कीज 2 थी, ठीक है। अगर मैं 68 को हटा भी दूं यहाँ से तो भी वो प्रॉपर्टी वायलेट नहीं करेगा, ठीक है, तो 68 को क्या करना है, वी आर गोइंग टू पुश दिस 68 अप हियर इन प्लेस ऑफ 70, ठीक है, 70 को डिलीट कर देंगे यहां से और 68 को पुश करेंगे अप, सो हियर इट इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट 68। नाउ अभी देखा जाए तो 68 के लेफ्ट में सारी वैल्यूज ऐसी है जो 68 से कम है, 51, 52, 60। 68 के राइट में सारी वैल्यूज ऐसी है जो उससे बड़ी है, दैट इज 73 एंड 75, सो यू डिलीटेड 70, इजी। प्रीडेसेसर मिल गया, प्रीडेसेसर है तो ठीक है, ठीक है, मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट आपने फाइंड आउट कर लिया। अभी जहां पे भी मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट आपने फाइंड किया, द प्रीडेसेसर वी यू चूज, okay, you are going to see that wherever that predecessor is residing, does it have more than number of minimum keys? If yes, then go and delete. If no, अगर ऐसा नहीं है, then go to the next solution, go and search for in order successor, okay? लेकिन हमारे केस में यहाँ पे है, in our case I do have more than number of minimum keys, so I can push this 68 up by removing this 70, so 70 को हटा दिया, 68 रख दिया, ओके, और ये बाकी का चीज ऐसे ही अपने आप एडजस्ट हो गया, राइट साइड में 73, 75, लेफ्ट साइड में 68 के 51, 52, 60, गॉट इट? आई होप इट इज क्लियर। तो 70 डिलीट हो गया। अभी नेक्स्ट हमें डिलीट क्या करना है, 95, ओके, 95 को डिलीट करना है अभी। So do the same procedure again, search for 95, 95 greater than 80, so go on right side now, okay, 95 हमें मिला यहाँ पे parent node में, alright, तो obviously यहाँ पे उसकी क्या है, मिनिमम की वैल्यूज है, तो डायरेक्टली तो डिलीट कर ही नहीं पाएंगे हम लोग, तो क्या करना है, सी लुक फॉर द प्रीडेसेसर, 95 का प्रीडेसेसर क्या है, 93, ऑलराइट। अभी 93 को मैं सिलेक्ट करूं और उसको मैं ऊपर पुश करती हूँ, तो मेरा ये नोड जो है जहां पे अभी 93 रिसाइडिंग है वो इम्बैलेंस हो रहा है, it is not going to contain the minimum number of keys, so I cannot go and select this 93. So what I'll go for option 2, go and select in order successor. in order successor वो वैल्यू है कि जो कि राइट सब ट्री में सबसे मिनिमम है, ठीक है, दैट इज द ट्रिक, the minimum value, the minimum element from the right subtree, okay, तो minimum value right subtree क्या है मेरी 100, okay, minimum value मेरी 100 है, तो क्या होगा 100 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, 95 हट जाएगा, यहाँ पे आ गया 100 instead of 95, and now it satisfies my property, ठीक है, 92 और 93 100 से कम है, 110 और 111 100 से बड़ी है, it is greater than 100, so this property satisfied, ठीक है, so 95 also deleted in a very easy manner, कुछ ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये 100 चला गया ऊपर, ओके, 95 को हटा दिया, rest of the things get adjusted. Now next in line is what, 77, ठीक है, अभी 77 को डिलीट करना है, गो एंड चेक, 77 इज ऑन द राइट साइड, ठीक है, अभी 77 को obviously we cannot delete directly, so again we are going to see in order predecessor कौन है 75, okay, लेकिन 75 को अगर ऊपर पुश करती हूँ, this node is going to not get balanced, it is not going to satisfy the property, so cannot do that. Okay, go for successor is whom, 78, again if I go and push 78 up, this node is not going to satisfy the property of my BST, okay, so neither of the case is valid for me in here, so what you are going to do, merge the nodes, delete the target value, okay, अभी merging वापस से कैसे होगी, merging again you are going to bring this parent node down, the same procedure जो आप यहाँ पे कर रहे थे, okay, the same procedure which you are going to do, merge the two nodes. यहाँ पे आप either left और right कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे आपको either नहीं करना है, ठीक है? You are going to merge this 73 and 75, 78 and 79 by bringing parent node down. Again, here once you cannot take in order predecessor or in order successor, so merge the nodes and delete the target value. Okay, इन दोनों को merge करो, 73, 75, 77 बीच में, because we are going to maintain the ascending order, 78 और 79. Okay, merge किया और 77 को हटा दिया, merge किया यहाँ पे और 77 को हटा दिया. That means now my node is what? My node looks like 73. Wait. My node will look like what? 73, 75, 78 and 79. Part of this 68. The 77 is not there now. These two are getting merged. Okay, these two are getting merged, and after merging they are on the right of 68. Got it? Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
So 77 is deleted. Okay, I guess it is much for now for you guys. Or you want to go for 80 and 100? Again, the question is to you guys. Because then for 80 and 100, again you are supposed to be doing the same thing. Same procedures, but it will take a little bit of time because there is an adjustment here. Let me do one thing. Just keep it for the next session, okay? 80 and 100. Maybe tomorrow. No, tomorrow not possible. Okay. I guess we are meeting again on Wednesday. So Wednesday I can keep it. Or whenever in the next session, whenever we are meeting, okay, I'll explain this 80 and 100. Alright. But what I want you guys is, at least you guys have a look in the PPT. You guys can take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this one. Take a screenshot of the screen. Alright. Download the PPT. PPT is already uploaded. And before coming to the next session, this is for those students also who have not attended this session. I have only 37 participants. I don't know why you guys are not attending, though this is a very crucial part in your syllabus going on. Pass this message to all those who have not joined this session. It is not done, first of all. Okay. Afterwards, I don't want any students complaining that we are lagging behind the course, or like we are not able to understand. When extra sessions are kept for you, you guys are not attending, just tell them, okay? Otherwise, I need to take some steps if this persists in the next sessions of mine or in the either subject or the subjects. Okay, so one thing you guys need to keep in mind, and you need to pass this message to all those who are missing out this session. Before coming to the next session, you need to at least revise these steps. Okay, you need to at least revise these steps, because then only you will get 80 and 100. Otherwise, if you forget, this example is a very lengthy example to explain again. And that's why I was asking after every deletion, you got it or not? You got it or not? Okay. So kindly, everybody, revise this example till 77. If not from beginning, then at least revise from 70 to 77, this case too. Okay. And then we will continue with 80 and 100. Kev, I'm very much aware about the timing and the attendance I'm supposed to take, so I don't need a reminder from your end. Just listen to what I am trying to tell you and follow my instructions. Okay? Am I crystal clear from my end? What you guys are supposed to come with in your next session? And kindly pass this message to all those students who are missing out this extra session. Okay? Otherwise, there will be a common complaint that, madam, we didn't get anything. Obviously, you're not going to get anything because you missed your extra session. And you are not even, trying to cope up with it. Alright, BD students, 1 to 15. Numbers in the chat, maintaining the sequence. Thank you all for attending the session. Once you have written the numbers in the chat, you are free to leave the session. AI students, I never asked you to write the numbers. Okay, AI 1 to 10. (11 to 20). 20 to 40, 20 to 30. 31 to 40. 41 to 50. 51 to 60. 60 to 75. Okay, any D2D student who has not written their numbers, you can write your number now. Okay, you guys can leave. Thank you all.